How to create a Target account. Let's get started. Launch your Target app. You can get this app easy from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you download this app, launch it, you'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of Welcome Sign In and Create Account. Click on the option of Create Account. In order to create your account, you have to provide these details. First up, type in your email address. Then type in your first name. Type in the last name. Enter your phone number and then generate password for your account. Once you provide all the details, scroll all the way down and then click on Create Account. Do you want to allow Target to use Face ID? Click on OK. What's your go-to Target? You can click on Show Nearby Stores, or also you can search with the zip code or the address. After location appears, you can save it. Then click on Got It. If you want to turn on notifications, click on Enable Notifications, or else you can click on Not Now. You can scroll down and click on Maybe Later, and just for that your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your Target account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.